Hello everyone, today I want to share my thoughts on a 5-step hair care system that I've been trying lately. The ELMOOSA and Care Hair Routine is a salon grade treatment designed for all hair types, but especially if your hair is damaged, dried, or color treated. This routine includes 5 steps, and one of the key ingredients is the caviar extract, which is rich in omega-3, proteins and vitamins, and it's incredibly effective for hairs that have been damaged by heat or chemical treatments like perms. Since I'm using it, I've noticed my hair feels much softer, less frizzy, and a lot more manageable. Each of the 5 steps targets a different needs: moisturize, repair, strength, softness, and shine. It honestly feels like getting a professional treatment at salon but at home. Dryness and frizz for a while. And after just a couple of uses, my ends feels healthier and smoother. What I love is that it doesn't leave any heavy residue. My hair feels light, bouncy, and super hydrated. It also has a luxurious texture and essence, which makes the whole routine feel like a self-care ritual. So all this was inside of this amazing kit, so now let's try it. This is an example how was my hair looking before. So now I will start with the step 1, the pre-shampoo, which I will leave on my hair for about 10 minutes before wash it. This will help to hydrate and recover all my hair. With this, you already can start to fill at the salon. Now we're going to do the shampoo. Now we're going to use the deep conditioner and we're going to detangle our hair. Now that we got out the shower, we're going to put some of the leave-in conditioner and we're going to put it from mid-length to ends. And now we can start drying the hair a bit with the blow dryer. This hair routine is perfect for all hair types. And now we're going to use what I think is the secret of this whole routine, these macadamia oil capsules. We're going to put it more focused at the end of our hair to get that shine and that glossy finish that every woman loves. Just look at the difference. My ends looked dry earlier and now they're smooth and shiny. I honestly didn't expect to see such a difference so quickly. This routine really brought my hair back to life, and I think it's a great option if you need deep repair and moisturize. My hair feels stronger, healthier, and looks way better after just a few uses. So bye!